Here's my clock spring with the heated connector, the new style airbag connectors, and in here is where I mounted my module. The harness come from it, splits right there. I got it going to this bolt, existing bolt here. I'm going to find a nut to put that together, and then it splits again. I'll have the power by itself going all the way over to the fuse box, and then this is my MS scan. I added this connector as a quick disconnect, and this is tapping from the OBD port. So I added this. I got a HS quick connect and a MS scan quick connect. So if I wanted to add something that requires HS here, I can quickly just slice 2 pins in here, and then voila. And then the other split goes to the steering wheel column. So right there, put a quick zip tie here, follow it, goes up, tape the existing harness together with mine, and then here you have the blue, and you have a blue and brown. Brown goes to number 3, blue goes to pin number 2, and then the other split over here goes to this existing connector from the clock spring, and those responsible for the heat, so it goes through here, through the spiral, and comes out of here. Alright, that's for heat. These two that I showed you earlier, the blue and the brown, same thing, they go through the whole thing, and they come out of this. I can't remember exactly which pins, but they come out of here. Those are responsible for the temperature sensor. So the module, where do I have this thing? Right there. Yeah, the module, it monitors the temperature based on the protocols that Ford set up for it, and make sure that it doesn't go too hot or doesn't stay on too long. So far that's where I'm at. And again, like I said, the red, I'm just gonna run it alongside my other wires that I had for other mods, and straight to the fuse box.